Hello, teacher and student. My name is Henry Francisco Dusan Rivera. I live in Neiva, Huila, Colombia. I studied the Master in Administration of Organization. I like rock music and I get to gym. My family is made up of my wife and my children. They like to watch television at night. These are the activity of my daily routines. I wake up 6 o'clock a.m. I make breakfast for my family and then eat breakfast. I take a shower and then I get dressed. I go to work at 7 a.m. I leave to work at 12 o'clock and go to home. I have a lunch and take a shower. I do work in the afternoon until 7 p.m. and finally go to bed at 10 p.m. o'clock. Bye, teacher and student.